Hey guys, I'm super excited because I have something new and something really interesting to show you. Now before that, let me show you something. Check this out. You can see here 48 sales, and from these 48 sales, I'm able to generate $768 in commission. This is from just one particular product. Now let me show you another campaign where I promote another product which is called Scratch. From there you can see here 132 sales, able to generate $1,200 in commission. $1,200 plus another $700, almost $2,000 from this particular method. Personally, I've been testing this a lot recently. I'm able to generate so many passive income stream from this particular strategy, which I'm about to show you right on this video. So make sure you stay tuned if you want to learn how to make thousands of dollars every single week and tens of thousands of dollars every single month. And this is absolutely possible even if you are a total beginner. Now let me show you something really interesting about this platform, which is called Warrior Plus. Now basically you can find different affiliate offers where you can promote and make commission on the internet. When you scroll down below here, you can see there are different products, different offers where you can simply grab your own affiliate link. I'll show you exactly how to do that. You can grab your link and then you can start promoting this link on the internet, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. Whenever you make a sale, you're able to generate commission. Say for example, if you're promoting this product which is called Highway, and from there you're able to generate $15 in commission. If you want something that pay more commission, you can just go down below and look for any products that you want. Now for example, this product which is called Profit Mate. Now once you promote this product, whenever you make a sale, you can make about $39 per sale. Now I want you to just imagine, once you make a few sales a day, couple of sales per day, you can easily generate hundreds of dollars. The opportunity here is just unlimited. You can see here so many different offers to promote and making a commission. That brings me to a topic which I want to show you one of the campaign which I've done previously using this method. Now you can see here tracking code. Right from there, I'm able to track where the sales are coming from. How do I actually generate those commission? How am I actually make $700? Now you can see here review 1, 2 and 3. Basically I'm using a strategy from using review videos and review website and driving those traffic, right? Driving those people to click on my affiliate links, and once they make a purchase, I'm able to generate $700. And this is super effective. I try to do it again. You can see here on the second campaign, I try to run and set up different review website once again, and you can see here the results are tremendous, over $1,200. Now let me show you exactly how I did it. Make sure you pay very close attention and keep watching. Now basically I want to show you this software which is called Levels. You can get instant access to Levels by clicking on the first link in the video description below, but don't click on that yet, right? Make sure you watch this video until the end to learn everything how I use Levels to generate thousands of dollars in commission. Once you get access to this particular software, I want you to click on this which is called Products, and from there you're able to find different done for you products, different done for you offers that's ready for you to promote, and you can get 100% guaranteed approval. One thing very important about this platform which is called Warrior Plus is that you have to click on the button to request for your affiliate links. You have to wait for the vendor to approve you in order to grab your link to start promoting. Now the thing is that a lot of vendors, they won't actually approve you. Why? Because you don't have any experience, you don't have any track record. When they look at your profile, your account is totally empty and blank. That's why they don't approve you. But when you get instant access to Levels, you're able to get guaranteed approval to all different offers on Warrior Plus. For example, New Year Profit Bot, CB Traffic Bots, commission pages, Scratch, passive profit funnels. You can see all sort of different offers that's ready for you to promote, instantly getting approval. Now let me show you two of the products that I personally tried. Number one, you can see here Scratch. Okay, this particular product, that's exactly what I've been talking about. This product right here, you can see over $1,200. So that I know that this is actually working. In fact, let me show you another example, which is this product which is called CB Traffic Bot 360. You can see here this particular product name. When you try to search for this offer on Warrior Plus, you can see here CB Traffic Bot, and when you scroll down below, you can see here this is the product, this is the offer that I'm promoting, and you're able to generate about $30 for every single sales that you make. By using Levels, you're able to automatically promote different products including CB Traffic Bot, just like exactly how I did it. You can see here over $700 $700 successfully earned in just a few couple of days, and they're all pure profit and fully automated using levels. I'm super excited to share with you the exact strategy step by step on how to do it and entire concept. But first, let me show you exactly what levels can help you to achieve. Now let me show you this particular review website. You can see here my name right here on top. Basically, levels will automatically help you to create a done for you, right? 100% done for you review website just like this. Of course, you can customize anything to your liking. You can change the logo, you can change the color to whatever that you want. But one thing I like about this review website is that they're all done for you, which is very professional at the same time. Now when you scroll down below here, you can find different 100% done for you reviews. For example, for product like Wi-Fi profit system, Scratch, CB traffic bot, New Year profit bot, so on and so forth. And all of these different reviews, they're able to rank on top of Google. For example, in this case, when people search for CB traffic bot 360 review, people are able to find your review website, your article. And the best part about this is that levels do 100% of the work for you. Imagine able to get hundreds of different review websites on the internet and generating you passive income without writing any articles, without learning about SEO, without hosting, without learning any of those difficult technical stuff. Pretty much it's everything done for you. You can instantly get a website just like this in just less than 5 minutes. Let me show you one of the review websites that you're able to get from levels. You can see here CB traffic bot 360 review. Right here you can plug in your name, as you can see here my name right there. And when you scroll down below, they create all the text, all the graphics for you. And whenever people come on your review website, when they click on this button and when they purchase this particular product, and boom, guess what? You're able to generate $30 in commission from this CB traffic boss offer. When people visit your done for you review website, they're gonna go on there to look for different information. What is the rating? What is the pros and cons about this particular offer? And when they scroll down below, they can read more information about this product, which is all done for you. And the best thing about this is that not only the articles, not only with all the text they prepare for you, but even give you a 100% done for you video, as you can see here. All of them, they are plugged in and ready to go in your own review website. Now, when people start reading the content on your review website, when they start watching the videos, they are very much likely to purchase through your affiliate links. And on top of that, what levels help you to achieve is that they're going to automatically give you different bonuses. You can see here, free bonus number 1 all the way, the free bonus number 3, everything is 100% done for you. And this website will automatically deliver different bonuses to people who purchase through your affiliate link. When you offer different bonuses, people are more likely to buy through your link, which is incredible. So basically, this is a very professional review website with all the done for you bonuses. They take care of everything for you. They have all the buttons where you can copy and paste your affiliate link, and I'll show exactly how to do that in just a moment. All you gotta do is just copy and paste your affiliate links and able to start generating different income stream. Now, for example, from just one product, you can see here $700. Now, let me show you another review website for this particular product, which is called Scratch. And once again, they give you everything that you need to start generating commission, all the articles, all the features, everything prepared for you, even a done for you video, as you can see here. And these are all super professional. You don't have to do anything. All you gotta do is just copy and paste your affiliate links and put them into this button so that you can start generating commission. That's how I'm able to generate up to $1,200 from this particular product. Once again, just like what I told you, you can get 100% guarantee approval if you have access to levels. Now let's just say if you want to promote this product, which is called Scratch, you can just search on the name of this product and find it right there. As you can see here, Scratch, you can click on here to get link. Now from there, this is actually your affiliate link. Now all you gotta do is just highlight this link right there and copy this link, and then we're gonna go back to levels, and from there we're gonna scroll down here and find the specific product, as you can see here, Scratch. And from there I want you to click on edit. From there you're gonna come over to this page, as you can see here. Now what you're gonna do is to scroll down below and you're gonna look for this particular section. You can see here affiliate link. Now all you gotta do is just paste your affiliate link right there into this box. As you can see here, I've already done it. Now once you put in your affiliate links, all you gotta do is just go down below and you're gonna click on this button, which is save changes. Boom, as you can see here, product update successful. Now that's all you gotta do when people visit your review website, and then when people click on this button, once they make a purchase, and boom, you generate a commission. That's exactly how we are doing it, how a lot of people, they're using this strategy, using different review website, but a lot of them, they have to do everything manually themselves. But with levels, everything's 100% done for you. Once again, if you want to get instant access to levels, all you gotta do is just click on the first link in the video description below. below, this is the opportunity of a lifetime. Once you click on that, you're able to come over to this page. As you can see here, levels, brand new tag for next level income in March 2021, 100% done for you self-monetized affiliate system with built-in free buyer traffic. Basically, levels automatically help you to drive clicks and different traffic to your review website, and everything is 100% done for you and self-monetized with different offers where you get guaranteed approval. All-in-one system includes 100 different powerful traffic sources where they push your link to different traffic sources to get a lot of people go onto your review website, and that's why you're able to generate so much sales totally passive. Now from there, you can go on there to watch this video to learn more information about this product. A lot of people, they're able to generate results using levels. As you can see here, over the last 7 days, over $10,000 in combined earnings. Right here, you can see we use this app every single day to generate traffic and commission. Today, $300, and yesterday, up to $1,900, almost $2,000 in one single day. And it just takes 3 easy steps to get started. Okay, step number 1, you have to click on the buy button to secure your copy of levels. Now when you click on the first link in the video description below, click on any one of these red buttons, you're able to secure a one-time special discount. As you can see here, if you grab levels right now, you're able to save over 90%, usually $47 per month, but right now just one-time fee only during the early bird launching. Go ahead and click on this button right now to secure your discount, and they do have a 180 days money back guarantee. And step number 2, you have to just log in into your levels account just like what I showed you inside the system. And then step number 3, you have to just copy and paste your affiliate link and start activating their traffic to enjoy an influx of buyer traffic to any of your link and start generating commission. Now what I like about levels is that you don't have to limit this only to Warrior Plus platform. You can promote any affiliate products or any other links that you want. For example, you can do it on Clickbank. As you can see here, you're able to generate commissions on Clickbank as well. $900, $700, $400 over and over again. This is the exact system that's bringing them game-changing income just like this. As you can see here, it is all possible right now if you are using the power of technology, using the power of software just like levels to create everything 100% done for you, so that you as a beginner, you have a chance to become successful. You have a chance to finally break through and start generating your first commission. Starting today, you're able to start seeing sales and commission coming in, and you don't have to see the zero right on your dashboard. I mean, how could that change your life? You can start seeing sales coming in on a consistent basis every single day, even every single hour, once you set up multiple different review websites and promoting different products at the same time. So once again guys, I'm super excited about this product. I want you to grab it with both hands. Go down below, click on the first link in the video description and click on this button right now to secure your one-time discount. You're fully protected by their 180 days money back guarantee. If you don't get any results, if you don't make any money, you can get 100% of your money back without a question asked, so that you can get started today right now with literally zero risk on your shoulder. Once again, this is proven and tested. I myself are getting results $700 from one particular product, and right here $1,200 on a second product. You can rinse and repeat this to promote different affiliate offers, and the opportunity here is unlimited. Once again, click on the first link in the video description below, grab it right now and secure your bonuses, secure your discount, and start generating your first commission.